Susie had a steamboat, the steamboat had a bell. Miss Susie went to heaven, the steamboat went to hell. Oh, operator, please give me number 9. And if you disconnect me, I'll chop off your behind the refrigerator. There is a piece of glass, and if you dare to step on it, I'll kick you in the ass. Me no more questions, tell you no more lies. The boys are in the bathroom, zipping up their flies. They're in the country, these are in the park. Miss Susie and her boyfriend are kissing in the dark. Is like a movie's like a show is on the TV screen, and that is all I know. I know my mama, I know my pa, I know my sister, and her $18 broccoli is delicious. Spinach makes me cry. Miss Susie told me all of this the day before she dyed her hair all purple, she dyed her hair all pink, she dyed her hair all polka dots and washed it down the sink. Hello operator, please give me number 10, and if you disconnect me, I'll